We're John Travolta and Olivia Newton-John for some summer fun. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard the BUBBA'S update for Friday, the last trading day of July 30th. And this update is brought to you by our friends at Capital Trading Group, CTG. And of course, we have many brokers, but for futures and commodities, we recommend the CTG Group because they do so many good things, including customer service. They're the ones we've authorized for our low direction trading. And of course, they trade all my accounts. They've got some great managed futures product, including a brand new S&P hedge product. So, you want to check them out, go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. In the meantime, the markets are kind of sloppy all over the place after yesterday's late day meltdown, I guess we'll call it. We've got markets that are, at the moment, Dow's down 10, NASDAQ's down 100, but that was down 200. S&P down 14 and the Russell up 83. So, you've got just a bunch of nothing. Market is moving on air pockets. We are still long everything but the Russell and still short the Russell. So obviously the picture this morning is not very bright. The dollar is higher this morning. We did reverse to short, okay, which makes sense. Typically we'll reverse and you will have a chance and sell it. Either buy or sell lower or sell higher. And of course, so we are now short dollars. Crude continues to go higher. It's pretty whippy today, but still yet higher once again, trading almost to 74 again. So this is the way it goes. Gold, we did finally reverse. It is lower this morning. However, we knew that it was close, as we said yesterday. So gold, we are now long. Silver is lower, and we're short. And platinum, which we don't trade, is much lower and breaking down some key levels. So we've got a real diverging market in the metals right now. So either I would suspect that gold and silver and platinum will either catch up, or gold will be a false breakout and they'll end up going back lower again. We'll see. Again, we don't make predictions. We just trade the algorithm. And of course, the bonds and notes are higher once again. And, look at these interest rates now. We can see what kind of battle we're going to really see here when it comes to, Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and, what Chair Powell has to say. But of course, they continue to hide from the truth, and the political aspirations of Powell wanting to get, re-engaged as the Fed chair once again will be, will not be good for us, but it will be good for the markets because it will keep rates at these ridiculously moronic low levels. Copper is lower slightly, and we're long. Nat gas is a little bit lower today, and we're still long. In the grain space, you've got corn under pressure, which we're still short, but again, 540 is a pretty key support level. Beans are lower about 25 cents, and we're long beans, and wheat's down about 7 cents, and we're long wheat. So again, a mixed picture again as well there. Cattle, fats and feeders are mixed. Feeders slightly higher, fats slightly lower. We're long both, and hogs are flat, and we are long hogs as well. In the softs, you've got cotton lower, we're long. Coffee, we get both. Getting smushed today, but again, still well above the big rally that we had seen over a couple of days. But it has come back, fairly dramatically, which you would expect after that kind of move up. And we're still long. Cocoa, we're long, and it's down a little bit. Sugar is down, we're long. And OJ is down, and we are also long there. So, a pretty mediocre, ugly day in general. But again, markets and trading is not built on one day. It is built on a career, not on minute-to-minute trading. So remember our other brokerage partners, which are Tradier. And again, we do have other brokers and equities as well. But Tradier brokerage, which is, the simplest thing is it's $10 a month. Okay. That's the biggest thing. But their service is second to none at $10 a month. And we've got their APIs, which allows us to automate your portfolios if you choose. There is no requirement. There is no charge for it. It is part of your membership. except for in the hedging, which is a separate fee because hedging is a class. But either way, if you want automation and you want, take the decision making out and let the system do it for you, you can do that if you choose. Again, no requirement, just an option. In the meantime, family farms, and of course, they've got some great stuff. And I think, as I talk and get more involved, I think that you ought to check them out if you're a farmer. I think it's a great spot to check out because they've got some great tools to help you ease your operation. And we know how tough it is, for personnel. So, you might want to check into family farms and our commodity report written by Andy Hecht. Go see a doctor if you're a commodities trader not reading this report. It is by far the best report in the industry. For commodities, go to BUBBATrading.com. Technomental is the name of the report. And, of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. In the meantime, I did forget to mention Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is getting a little bit whacked today. But again, it's much higher. Obviously, it's from 30,000, it's almost 40,000 now. And again, we look for this to be moving higher, and we are along. And I will remind you that, of course, we've got Bubba's Bottom Line on Sunday, but also tomorrow we are bringing in 2 brand new portfolios, and you'll have the opportunity, if you choose to do so, as a new member, to get just one or the other without the balance at a great rate. So if you want to check it out tomorrow at noon Eastern time, I'll be doing a webinar. In the meantime, have a great Friday, everybody. Summer fun and Greece, Olivia Newton-John and John Travolta. Enjoy it. We'll talk to you on Sunday, tomorrow if you come to the webinar, or Sunday for Bubba's Bottom Line. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody, and have a great weekend. We'll see you later.